This is a colt by Sagnol, a Sandro hit stallion out of a Landadel mother. A little bit long himself, but a very, very good mover. And the dam is a Florestan mother, Florestan Donnerhall mother. So it's an interesting combination. I think the Donnerhall will cool him down a little bit as he gets older, and Florestan also. And the Sagnol was a little bit on the hot side, but really, really a good horse. This colt today was a little bit nervous walking. You could see that at the beginning. As soon as he's in a place that he's not used to, and he started walking a little bit quickly. That's why we had him going almost at a crawl. I think when he gets a little bit calmer, he's going to have a good walk. He's not going to have a superior walk, but he'll have a good walk. Like his father. He has an outstanding trot. He's very light. He has a very good neck and a beautiful head. So today we also awarded him a premium and elite. And we made concessions for the walk simply because we think that was just his nerves today that was causing it. But he's really a lovely colt.
All right.